Okay, folks, here is the second piece of equipment that I managed to pick up from Boyd, and again, thank you very much, sir. This piece of equipment is the Stark RF Signal generator model RFG-2. Now, back in 2014, and before that, well, before I should say 2014, I had an RF signal generator just like this one. And back in 2014, I ended up selling pretty much all my radio equipment, including test equipment and everything else. And, well, I shouldn't have done that, but it was one of them times in my life that I don't want to repeat. But ever since 2014, I have been looking for another RF signal generator, and it has taken this long to finally get one. It's the exact same model that I had before. This is a different serial number, but it's the exact same unit. It can run anywhere from which is 100 kilohertz, up to, with harmonics, up to 260 megahertz, and every frequency in between. This particular unit would be awesome if you're for checking out receivers and radios, especially if I had a dead receiver like the TRC 451 that I had there here trying to repair there for a little while. That 451 was deemed uneconomical to repair. It was just too much wrong with it, so I pretty much condemned it, and it was sent back. But the thing with an RF signal generator that would help a lot, especially when you're dealing with receivers, is you can drive the RF signal into the receiver, and you can adjust you can help with the alignment to make the receiver more sensitive. And it's also great for troubleshooting receiver issues. It's also great if you decide to build receivers like myself, and you're trying to figure out what frequency range the actual contraption works on. Well, you can go through your different bands, A through F, and you can see what frequency she works on. Right now I have her on band D, tuned around 7 megahertz. Alright, so I got a DX394 tuned to 15 megahertz. We're going to adjust the signal generator so you can hear it in her. As you can see, 50 megahertz on the dial there. So she's pretty spot on. And that's on D, on range E. She got a little bit of drift. Takes about a half hour to an hour warm-up time, and she will stabilize better. Got a fine tune over here. Adjust the frequency a little bit. You drive audio into it as well. So these RF signal generators, you can actually use them as a transmitter, drive some audio. It's a low power transmitter basically, but it's pretty cool. So again, Boyd, I'd like to thank you very much for the donation. Greatly appreciate it. will definitely come in useful, and you'll see more of this RF signal generator in the future. Anyway, folks, all the best, and thanks for watching. And this is for Radio Note R. If you're listening or watching, I still got the signal, the receive amplifier here. Still working on it. I've since added a relay to this thing to do the actual switching. I'm still working the bugs out of it, but as soon as she's ready, I'll definitely let you know. So